Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the battery percentage on the status bar. Okay, for this go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option the notification and status bar. Tap on this one, then tap on the option status bar. Then here you can see the option battery percentage. Tap on this one, then you can see three options: inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, don't show. You can select to enable the battery percentage on the status bar. You can select any one from these two. So here I am going to select the option inside the battery icon. Now you can see this 17%. You can see, right? You can see it is 17%. Otherwise, you can select the outside the battery also. You can see it's 17%. So here I select the option inside the battery. So simply in this way, you can enable the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.